Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to make an end portal in Minecraft. So let's get started. First, you need to know that you can't create an end portal in survival mode. This can only be done in creative mode. You can switch from survival to creative if needed. Now, in creative mode, open your inventory. Search for End Portal Frame and Eye of Ender. Do not use the Ender Pearl. It won't work. Start by placing the portal frames in a square around you. Each side needs 3 blocks. Make sure the 2 small squares on each block face inward. That alignment is crucial. After building 3 sides, rotate 90 degrees and continue the same pattern until all 4 sides are complete. All blocks should align properly, with larger dots facing inward. Next, switch to the Eye of Ender. Place 1 in each frame block. Go around the structure, placing 1 eye in each frame. Once all 12 are in, the portal activates. You can now jump in and head to the end. If it doesn't work, double-check the orientation of each frame. All sides must face the right way. Follow this exactly, and it'll work. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.